Coward. Coward. A coward is a person who lacks courage or bravery in facing dangerous or challenging positions. Cowards tend to be fearful and often avoid confrontation or risk. They may shy away from taking a stand or defending themselves or others when needed, primarily due to their overwhelming fear of potential consequences. The word coward has Middle English origins and can be traced back to the 13th century. It is derived from the Old French word couard, which was used to describe someone who lacked bravery or valor. The term has been used throughout history to refer to individuals exhibiting fear or timidity. Now let's use coward in a sentence. The security guard acted like a coward and abandoned his post. Thanks for listening in. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.